Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to be showing you guys what I do whenever I do my makeup. This is not a tutorial. This is not anything like that. I just do makeup the best that I know how. I enjoy doing makeup, but I'm not the best by any means. So I just thought that I would show you guys how I get ready whenever I do my makeup. I don't wear makeup hardly ever now. So yeah, I'm about to go to Target. So, you know, it calls for makeup. Anyway, so I will be showing you guys, I will be showing you what all I use, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I don't know how good this is going to turn out, but this is what I do pretty much every day. I use the same stuff every day. So I need some more of this. I use the Smashbox primer water, and I'm almost out. You can see right there, it's almost out. But I love this stuff, so I'm gonna spray what's left of this on my face. Hardly anything's coming out. Okay, I try to be better about using a primer, so I'm using the NYX Angel Veil primer. And I'll try to have everything linked down below, maybe. We'll see. And as you can see, I have a lot of acne scars on my face. It's all smooth, like they're not, you know, active or whatever. But they're all just scarring, so whenever I do wear makeup, I like for that to all be covered, but I have not had very much luck with that because I don't like to spend a lot of money on makeup. I like drugstore makeup, but I know higher end makeup works better sometimes. Not all the time, but so if you guys know of a good, not full coverage, it doesn't have to be complete full coverage, but just like a medium to full coverage foundation that's drugstore, let me know. But for right now, I've just been using this Mallory Conceal and Perfect foundation and concealer. I don't really like it. I don't think it matches me good. I think it's too thick. I don't know. Anyway, but that's what I'm using right now. I just do a pump on my hand. See, it's like way too dark. But, you know, what do you do? I feel like a lot of foundations don't match me that good. So I'm just... And I know, you know, sometimes with thicker foundations it works best to use a brush. And I do have the Y6 brush from Morphe that I use a lot of times. But I like using the sponge better. I don't know, it feels more moisturized for some reason because it's wet, you know. Oh, I look really white right now. And it does an okay job. I don't know. But I feel like I look kind of cakey sometimes with this foundation. And I want something that's not as heavy, I think. I also have not very oily, but I have like combo oily and dry skin, and I live in South Georgia where it's like been 100 degrees since May. So I don't really want to have a foundation on that makes it just a hot mess. I want to try a BB cream or something, or a CC cream. I don't really know the difference in those, but it's hard for me to find a new drugstore foundation because in the drugstores they don't let you try them out, you know, swatch the shades and everything. So you just have to buy it, hope for the best, and then return it if it doesn't work. I also have like dark circles. They're not that bad right now, but yeah, you can see the dark circles under my eyes. So I really want to get the Tarte Shape Tape because I've tried drugstore concealers and I feel like they don't really cover it up. It just kind of makes it look worse. So I'm just going back, adding a little bit more so you can still see. This is what I don't like. This is why I don't like this foundation. I don't know. I just have all these scars like I'm going over it again. Anyway, that's beside the point. I'm just showing you what I do. This is not supposed to be a rant video. Okay. But if you guys have some recommendations of some drugstore foundations or concealers that I should try, let me know, please. Okay, that's done. I bought the Makeup Revolution concealer, which a lot of people were saying that it's awesome. Maybe I just have way too light of a shade. I have no idea. But I don't really like it. It doesn't cover up my dark circles. I have all my makeup right here, like thrown in a bag. So that's why you hear me digging for everything. I also have this NYX. I have this NYX concealer. I've been using it. It's. I don't think I'm gonna do concealer today. It'll be fine. I'm just doing a normal, easy, everyday look. And when I did wear makeup every day, this is pretty much what it was. Next, I'm using this Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in Lace. This works really good. I really like this. So I will take, if I have concealer under my eyes, I will take this Y11 brush from Morphe. I got these brushes in the Laura Lee's favorite makeup brushes kit. So I'll just dump some in the pan, take a little bit, and then I'll do it right here under my eyes. This is mostly for when I have concealer on, but I'll just do it today also. And then I'll take my big powder brush. It's a little crooked. And then just set my foundation, because like I said, I do get really oily when it's 100 degrees outside, so. Okay. And then, what's next? Trying not to make too big of a mess. Okay, then I use my Butter Bronzer. This is just the regular shade. I know they have a lighter shade, but this is just the darker original shade. And then I take this other Morphe brush that also came in the collection and just kind of dust it around. Sometimes I don't even wear blush if I have a good bit of bronzer on. I use it to kind of contour, kind of bronze. Like I said, I don't really know what I'm doing, but I like how it turns out for the most part. Okay. And then sometimes I will add this bronzer to my eyelids as an eyeshadow, but I'm not going to do that today. Oh, there's a hair in my mouth. And sorry I keep looking at my screen while I'm doing my makeup. That's why I'm not looking at you guys. I'm sorry. Okay, so next I have this Ulta Velvet Blush in the shade Princess. And I'm just taking my Real Techniques blush brush that I've had forever. Just adding a little bit. Okay, there we go. I'm not doing eyeshadow or anything today. And I don't ever wear false lashes. I wish I did, but it's kind of, I don't know. I feel like it's a lot of work for me to, I do want like eyelash extensions. But I don't know if it's a lot of work, like can you not get them wet, can you not put mascara on, you know, that type of thing. So I don't know. If you have eyelash extensions, let me know if you like them, if you recommend them. I have pretty like thick eyelashes. I mean, what are these? Eyebrows. But they do have some sparse areas, so I just go through and fill them in a little bit. Whoa, that was the wrong end. And then I'll comb through them. Just to kind of fill them in a little bit. And this is the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Shape and Fill. It's got the bigger tip on it. I don't know if you can focus. Anyway, you can see that it has like a bigger, kind of a triangular shape to it. I didn't like it at first. I just had to get used to it, but I think it works okay, you know. And then I'll take the Essence Make Me Brow in Soft Brownie Brows. That's the shade. I will just run this through just to kind of make them look a little bit more natural, you know, or whatever. It's kind of like mascara for your eyebrows. I don't really ever put eyeliner on. I used to, but I guess I just don't really think it's that important anymore. So I'll just go through and curl my lashes. That's another thing. I've thought about getting my eyelashes lifted or like just curled, you know, or permed or whatever they call it. I've been using this Essence Volume Stylist 18-Hour Lash Extension Mascara. I've been using this and I like it, but I think it's starting to dry out. So I think I'll have to get another one soon. And then I'll just put some mascara on. And that's pretty much it. So I will go back and spray some more of my primer water to set my makeup and to set the powder. So I'll go do that real quick. And then I'll take my sponge again and just kind of press that in so that I don't have huge spots all over my face. Alright, so that completes this makeup look. Do you like it? I'll take my hair down. Alright guys, so that completes this makeup look for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know in the comments below if you did. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel before you leave. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!